that home in California is $850,000. And if you would have told somebody that 10 years ago, they would have never believed you, but yet here we are. Hi guys, Freddie Crespo, broker, owner of Investors Real Estate, here to give you a quick update on the market, and this has to do with inflation. I'm sure you guys have heard that the government's saying that this inflation is transitory. And what does transitory mean? That means that it's temporary and it's not permanent. Well, you know, that's just not true, right? Just look at history. Once inflation goes up, it goes up, and it doesn't really come down. But especially in real estate. With real estate, the way it works, it's based more on supply and demand. So just because we have a lot of inflation and the feds increase interest rates, which is what's going to happen to slow down inflation, does not mean that real estate prices will drop, because that's not how it works. It just means that buyers will be able to afford less. And so with that said, if you're a buyer and you're on the fence, you really need to get out there and get your home while the interest rates are still low and while you can still buy a home. Yes, the prices have gone up, but you need to get into something, because what's eventually going to happen, people, is that you will be completely priced out of the market. And I can show you a few of those examples in California on the next video that I'm going to show you, where a normal house, let's say a 1,300 square foot home, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, in an area like Winter Springs, Castleberry, Altamont Springs, you know, a very normal first time buyer type of neighborhood, that home in California is $850,000. And if you would have told somebody that 10 years ago, they would have never believed you, but yet here we are. And that's another video I'm getting into. Let's get back to inflation. And yes, the price of bacon is up as well, and that's a sad thing, and there's nothing that I can do about that or even explain about that. But in real estate, what you can do is, if you're a seller, now is a great time to sell. You've got the high prices and you still have the lower interest rates. As of Friday, Wells Fargo rates were 3.125%, which is great for a 30-year fixed. So you can still get in with a large pool of buyers who want your home, and the inventory is very low. If you are a buyer, you need to get in before the rates go up, because once the rates get to 4.5%, 5%, the house that you used to be able to buy now is down here, meaning a lesser of a home, smaller square footage, things like that. So the quality of the home that you can purchase now will be different the quality of the home that you can buy next year, next spring. So I think in spring you're really going to see a big difference. A spike in prices, in home prices, and also a spike in interest rates. So that's a quick update on inflation. Expect it to remain here. You guys need to put your money into real estate, because that's your cash is worthless in the bank. It's going down and down and down, that value of your cash. You need it in something real, like real estate, where your money can grow while we have this inflation going up and up and up. And that the government seems to just continue to print that money like it's going out of style. So protect yourselves with real estate. If you already own a property, buy another property. Also, the stock market might be a good place. I made a video before about putting money in Tesla, and yeah, Tesla's jumped up by 100%. So with that said, check out these videos. These are videos I'm talking about here, and everything we've been talking about in those videos has come through, and we're on track to everything that I've been talking about, when the market actually will peak and when the next fall of the market will come, if everything goes according to history. So history definitely repeats itself. All right, guys, so that's it for now. If you have any questions, give me a call. You can text me, email me, DM me, and we're here every day. So let us know how we can help you. Thank you very much, and have a great day, and God bless you.
Not just a home, it's an investment.
Investors Real Estate, LLC.